My Simple Life in the Countryside. Today, we will practice English by listening to a story called My Simple Life in the Countryside. We will repeat many sentences to help you improve your listening and speaking skills. Let's begin. Morning routine. I live in a small village. Yes, I live in a small village. It is peaceful and quiet here. That's right, it is peaceful and quiet here. Every morning, I wake up at 5 a.m. I wake up at 5 a.m. every day. The birds are singing when I open my eyes. When I open my eyes, I hear the birds singing. I get out of bed and stretch my arms. I stretch my arms after getting out of bed. Then, I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. It feels fresh. I brush my teeth slowly. Yes, I brush my teeth slowly. After that, I drink a glass of warm water. I always drink warm water in the morning. It helps me feel clean and healthy. Drinking water makes me feel healthy. I smile at myself in the mirror. I look in the mirror and smile. A walk in nature. After getting ready, I go outside for a walk. That's right, I go for a walk after getting ready. The sun is rising behind the trees. The sun slowly rises behind the trees. I see green fields and small houses. I see beautiful green fields and small houses. The air is fresh and cool. Yes, the air is very fresh and cool. I take a deep breath and feel calm. I breathe deeply and feel calm. I walk past a small river. There is a small river, and I walk past it. The water flows gently. The river water flows gently. I see cows and goats in the field. There are cows and goats in the field. They look happy and free. Yes, they look very happy and free. I wave to a farmer in the field. I wave at the farmer working in the field. He waves back and smiles. The farmer smiles and waves back. Breakfast time. After the walk, I return home. That's right, I come back home after my walk. I feel fresh and happy. Yes, I feel fresh and happy. I cook a simple breakfast. I always cook a simple breakfast. Today, I make eggs and toast. I make eggs and toast today. I add salt and pepper to the eggs. Salt and pepper make the eggs taste better. I drink a cup of tea with my meal. With my breakfast, I drink tea. The tea is hot and sweet. The tea tastes hot and sweet. I sit near the window while I eat. I enjoy eating near the window. I watch the trees and the birds. Yes, I watch the birds and the trees. It is a quiet and peaceful moment. That's right, it's a peaceful time. Daily chores. After breakfast, I do my daily chores. I start doing my chores after breakfast. First, I clean my room. Cleaning my room is the first job. I sweep the floor with a broom. I use a broom to sweep the floor. Then, I wash the dishes. I wash all the dishes after sweeping. I water the plants in my garden. I give water to the garden plants. They look green and healthy. The plants look fresh and healthy. I talk to them while watering. Yes, I talk to my plants too. They are my green friends. My plants are like green friends. Then, I feed the chickens. I go outside and feed the chickens. They run to me quickly. Yes, the chickens run to me fast. Afternoon rest and reading. In the afternoon, I take some rest. That's right, I rest in the afternoon. I sit under a big tree. I sit under a shady, big tree. The wind blows softly. The wind is soft and cool. I close my eyes for a few minutes. I relax with my eyes closed. Then, I read a book. Yes, I love to read books. Today, I read a story about a brave dog. The story is about a brave dog. It makes me smile. Yes, the story makes me smile. Reading is my favorite hobby. Reading is what I enjoy most. Evening routine. In the evening, I take another walk. I go for a walk in the evening again. The sky turns orange and pink. The sky becomes orange and pink at sunset. I enjoy the colors of the sunset. I enjoy watching the sunset colors. The village becomes quiet. The whole village becomes quiet. People return home from work. Everyone comes back home from work. Children play near their houses. Children play and laugh near their homes. I return home and light a lamp. I light a lamp after I return. The lamp gives a soft, warm light. The light from the lamp is warm. I sit with my family and talk. I talk with my family in the evening. We share stories and laugh. We share our day's stories and laugh. Night and gratitude. At night, I eat a light dinner. That's right, I eat a light dinner at night. Today, I have rice and vegetables. I eat rice with vegetables today. It is simple and tasty. My food is simple and tasty. After dinner, I wash my hands. I always wash my hands after dinner. I thank God for a good day. I say thank you for this good day. I write in my journal. I write my thoughts in a journal. Then, I go to bed. That's right, I go to bed. I sleep early to wake up early. I sleep early every night. The stars shine outside my window. I see stars from my window. I smile and feel happy. I feel happy and calm. Let's repeat a few key sentences from today's story. I wake up at 5 a.m. I go for a walk in nature. I make a simple breakfast. I feed the chickens. I sit under a tree and read. I enjoy the sunset. I thank God and go to bed. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.